9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mulai.
Hello everyone, my name is Dwi Oktavina Lestari and I'm excited to welcome you to this video. Today we will be diving into biodiversity loss. Whether you're new to this subject or looking to deepen your understanding, I hope this video will be both informative and engaging. So guys, biodiversity loss refers to the decline in the variety and abundance of species within a particular ecosystem or on global scale. It's often caused by human activity such habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, overexploitation of resources, and introduction of invasive species. Number 1, habitat destruction. Human activities like deforestation, urbanization, and land conversion for agriculture destroy natural habitats, leading to the loss of species that depends on those habitats for survival. Number 2, pollution. Pollution including air, water, and soil pollution can have detrimental effect on biodiversity by harming organisms directly or by degrading their habitats. Number 3, climate change. Rising temperatures, changing precipitation pattern, and extreme weather can disrupt ecosystem and alter the distribution and abundance of species, leading to biodiversity loss. Number 4, overexploitation. Unsustainable hunting, fishing, and harvesting of natural resources can lead to the depletion of population and even extinction of species. Number 5, introduction of invasive species. When non-native species are introduced into new environments, they can outcompete native species for resources, disrupt ecosystem, and drive native species to extinction. And 6, loss of genetic diversity. Biodiversity loss not only involves the loss of species, but also the genetic variation within species. Genetic diversity is essential for species to adapt to changing environmental conditions and evolve over time. When genetic diversity decreases, population become more vulnerable to disease, environmental stressors, and other threats. Number 7, disruption of ecosystem service. Biodiverse ecosystem provide essential services that support life on Earth, such as pollination, water purification, carbon sequestration, and climate regulation. The decline in biodiversity can disrupt this service, leading to a negative impact on human well-being, including reduced food security, increased vulnerability to natural disaster, and compromised water and air quality. Number 8, economic implication. Biodiversity loss can have significant economic consequences, affecting industries such as agriculture, fisheries, pharmaceuticals, and tourism. For example, the loss of pollinators like bees and butterflies can reduce crop yields, leading to decreased agricultural productivity and increased production costs. Furthermore, the degradation of natural habitats can impact the tourism industry, which often relies on biodiversity-rich areas for attraction. Number 9. Social impact. Biodiversity loss can disproportionately affect marginalized communities that rely heavily on ecosystem service for their livelihoods, food security, and cultural practice. Indigenous peoples and local communities, in particular, often have deep cultural and spiritual connection to their land and natural resources, making them especially vulnerable to the impact of biodiversity loss. Number 10. Global cooperation for conservation. Addressing biodiversity loss requires concerted effort at local, national, and international level. Initiatives such as Convention on Biological Diversity and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals provide frameworks for countries to collaborate on biodiversity conservation, sustainable development, and the equitable sharing of benefit derived from genetic research. By understanding the multifaceted nature of biodiversity loss and taking proactive measures to conserve and restore ecosystem, we can work toward a more sustainable and resilient future of all life on Earth.
Natural biodiversity loss and areas biodiversity increases and decreases with natural cycles. Seasonal change, such as the onset of spring, create opportunities for feeding and breeding, increasing biodiversity as the population of many species rise. In contrast, the onset of winter temporarily decreases and areas biodiversity as warm adapted insects die and migrating animal live left. In addition, the seasonal rise and fall of plant and invertebrate population. Such insects and plankton, which serve as food for other forms of life, also determine an area's biodiversity. Biodiversity loss is typically associated with more permanent ecological change in ecosystem, landscapes, and the global biosphere, natural ecological disturbances, such wildfire, floods, and volcanic eruptions, change ecosystem drastically by eliminating local population of some species, and transforming whole biological communities. Such disturbances are temporary, however, because natural disturbances are common and ecosystems have adapted to their challenge. See also forest clearing, wetland filling, stream channeling, and rerouting, and route and building construction are often part of a systematic effort that produce a substantial change in the ecological trajectory of a landscape or a region. As human population grow, the terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem they use may be transformed by the efforts of human beings to find and produce food, adapt the landscape to human settlement, and create opportunities for trading with other communities for the purpose of building wealth. Biodiversity losses typically accompany this process. Researchers have identified 5 important drivers of biodiversity loss. For the one, habitat loss and degradation, which is any tiny fragmentation or destruction of an existing natural habitat, reduces or eliminates the food resources and living space for most species that cannot migrate are often wiped out. Invasive species, which are non-native species that significantly modify or disrupt the ecosystem, the colonies may outcompete native species for food and habitat, which triggers population declines in native species. Invasive species may arrive in new areas through natural migration of human introduction. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Cynthia Nuraini. Biodiversity has many good benefits, tangible and intangible, namely service ecosystem such as clean drinking, water formation, and soil protection. Nutrient storage and killing reduce and air pollution, contribute to climate stability, ecosystem maintenance, and pollution plan. Biological resources such as food, medicines, industrial raw materials, ornamental plants stock for breeding, and keeping population social benefits such as education, recruitment and research and culture. Biodiversity has provided various food ingredients for human life, but its sustainability threatened. Indonesia has a variety of genetic source potential as a food ingredient. Several types of animal is now a source of local Indonesian food. For example, cows Bali, free-range chicken, and several types of poultry. Other Indonesia also has a variety of local plants, which has the potential as supplement or complement to rice, what is the main staple food of the Indonesian people. The concave of deforestation against rice dependence can be begins by introducing and removing peel-out values that place sensuality crops as food of the lower classes and by lifting restoring to the food potential possession by Earth's region. Several types of local food can be a substitute for rice, for example, cassava, arrowroot, breadfruit, corn, sago, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and taro. My name is Cynthia Nuraini. The main factor causing biotic stress and the increasing rapid rate of biodiversity loss in addition to other trees are degradation and loss of habitat, intensification of land use, and loss of land or habitat has been identified as an important factor in the loss of ecological service as a direct effect as well as loss of biodiversity. Climate change, drought, heat stress, and drought stress, excessive nutrient load, and other forms of pollution, overexploitation, and unsustainable use as unsustainable fishing methods, armed conflict, disrupt human life and livelihoods, contribute to habitat loss, and increase of overexploitation of economically valuable species, leading to population declines and local extinctions, invasive alien species that compete for a niche, displacing native species, human activities that threaten other forms of life, about of mammal, amphibian, and bird species are threatened with extinction.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Elsa Irena Tumanken, lives on Reni Jaya Pamulang. From the Constitution, my friends convenient, I conclude that biodiversity loss refer to the decrease in the variety and abundance of living organisms, including plants and animals, fungi, and microorganisms within a specific ecosystem, region, or globality. This list can occur due to various factors, including habitat destruction and efficient exploitation of natural resources, pollution, climate change, and the introduction of invasive species. Biodiversity loss can have profound ecological, economic, social, and cultural consequences, affecting ecosystem functioning, food security, human health, and livelihoods. This represents a significant threat to the health and sustainability of ecosystem and the well-being of both present and future generation. Yang two, ecosystem instability, and that is biodiversity loss threatens the stability and resilience of ecosystem leading to potential disruption in existing ecosystem services such as pollution, soil fertility, and water purification. This instability can have cascading effect on human species and ecosystems that depend on this. Economic impacts that decline in biodiversity can have significant economic consequences, inclusive reduced productivity in agriculture and fisheries, increases vulnerability to natural disasters, and higher healthcare costs due to loss of medical resources. For social and cultural description, biodiversity loss can undermine traditional livelihoods and cultural practices, particularly among indigenous communities that rely on natural resources for their survival and cultural identity. This disruption can lead to social tensions and conflicts over access to dwindling resources. Food security risks. The loss of biodiversity poses risk to global food security by reducing the genetic diversity of crops and livestock. This makes food systems more vulnerable to pests, diseases, and environmental stressors and potentiality, jeopardizing the availability and affordability of nutrition food for growing population. In conclusion, the loss of biodiversity represents a multi-phase crisis with far-reaching implications for ecological, economic, social, and cultural systems. Addressing this crisis requires urgent and coordinated action at local, national, and global levels to conserve and restore biodiversity, promote sustainable land and resource management practices, and mitigate the drivers of biodiversity loss such habitat destruction and overexploitation and pollution and climate change.
Hello, my name is Riwi Ningsi. Biodiversity loss and death rates in biodiversity within a species and ecosystem. A given geography area of Earth as a whole, biodiversity or biological diversity is a term that refers to the number of genus, species, individual organism within a given species, and biological community within a definite geographic area, ranging from the small ecosystem to the global biosphere. A biological community in the rating group of various species in a common location. Liquid biodiversity loss. This risk
with the dealing in the number, genetics variability and variability of species and the biological communities in a given area. This loss in the variety of life can lead to a breakdown in the functioning of the ecosystem where that land had happened. The idea of biodiversity is most often associated with species disease, the count of species in an area, and thus biodiversity loss is often viewed as species loss from an ecosystem or of even the attribution. See also extinction. However, associating biodiversity loss with species loss alone overlook other sublet phenomena that threaten long-term ecosystem health. Sudden population declines may offset social structures in some species, with my keep surviving and families from feeding methods, which might produce further population that limits in genetic diversity that accompany rapid in population. My interest in blending mating between closely related the individual within cause products I further delete in genetic diversity. Even though a species is not eliminated from the ecosystem or from the biosphere, it needs the role the species play in the ecosystem. It inhabits diminished as its numbers fall. If the niche is filled by a single species or a group of species are critical to the proper tuning of the ecosystem. A student that's lean in number may broaden significant changes in the ecosystem structure from a cafe carrying trash from a forest eliminated the shedding temperatures and moisture regulation, animal habitat and nurture transport services they provide to the ecosystem. Solution to biodiversity loss. Dealing with biodiversity loss is straight directly to the conservation challenges posed by the unresolved rivers. Conservation biologists note that the problem could be solved using a mix of public policy and economic solutions assisted by cognitive monitoring and education. Governments, non-governmental organizations, and the scientific community must work together to create incentives to conserve natural habitats and protect the species within them from unnecessary harvesting. Will this categorizing behaviors that contribute to habitat loss and degradation? sustainable development, economic planning that aims to further growth, real preserving environmental quality. Most the considered when classing new primate and human living species, law that prevent poaching and indiscriminate trade in wildlife must be improved and enforced. Shipping material at from most the infested forced away organism.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like